Master yourself in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning with LearnBase Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Certification Program co-developed with IBM. A course especially intended for working professionals with 1+ year work experience in any domain, whether technical or non-technical. So, now want to know the content of the course? Let's now discuss. Module O covers the special basic programming classes for all the non-programmers, wherein you will be learning the basics of Python, statistics, programming, etc. Module 1 covers all aspects of Python in data science, wherein you will be learning Python programming, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, etc. Module 2 discusses all aspects of statistics in data science, wherein you will be learning mathematics and probability, inferential and descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, and much more. Module 3 gives you an in-depth knowledge of machine learning algorithms, wherein you will be learning supervised and unsupervised learning, logistic and linear regressions, time series, etc. Here, you will also practice a case study to the theory. Module Flow gives you an in-depth knowledge of TensorFlow and deep learning. Here, you will be learning about TensorFlow, deep learning, CNN, neural networks, and much more. Module 5 discusses all about natural language processing, wherein we'll be studying about NLP libraries, distance algorithms, text analytics, and much more. Module 6 gives you a gist of computer vision and OpenCV, wherein you will be learning about image processing, segmentation and classification, object detection, and much more. Module 7 is all about machine learning model using GCP. Here you will be introduced to GCP Cloud ML Engine and will be trained to deploy and train ML models. Finally, by the Module 8, you will be learning reinforcement learning, along with which you will learn OpenAI Gym and basic RL techniques, deep Q learning, and much more. But now do you wonder why to choose the course? Let's now discuss the benefits. We have all the reasons for you to choose this course. We provide 250+ hours of live classes from industry experts and believe in project-based learning, hence offering 12+ real-time and 2 capstone projects with a 1-year flexible subscription, providing both weekends and weekdays batches. The cherry on the cake is that non-programmers has an option of special classes and you learn everything from scratch. At the end of the course, you'll be certified by IBM, one of the most prominent tech company in the IT industry. And finally, what could be more better than getting a job referral, which we guarantee to all the working professionals. So, what are you waiting for? Join LearnBase today. For more details and queries, contact us at contacts@learnbase.co or contact our career counselors. Happy learning!